Hey friends, it's Neil at WindowEffects Tint Masters. We're going to show you how to remove the door panels for window tint to get the sweeps out of there on this BMW X5. So stay tuned, turn these glasses on so you can see right what we see. All right, got the Meta glasses on. We're gonna get this little pick tool. There's a screw right behind here. All right, well, first thing, this thing pulls off from this way. So you kind of gotta just click this out. Super easy. I get a little clip tool in there. Kind of wedge that in there, get that out. Get this little pick tool right here. Get underneath this bottom. There's two screws in here. Two screws right there, and then you might want to get like a flat plastic thing so you don't scratch this, but I don't know why that BMW hides a screw under there. And then also they put an extra one right here. Okay, so that slides in there. There's a screw hiding in there. So we got a 20 mil. So we're gonna get that screw out. I always set everything down right there so I don't lose it. Okay. Got that. We'll leave this one in the top. I could get a magnet and get it out, but I'm just going to leave that in there once I pull it out. And then this one has 3 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. All right, then I'm gonna kind of get this tool right here and get back in there and just see if I can't get my fingers underneath there. And just kind of wiggle it out as I pull. It's all right, and work it right up. This one, if it has this really strong clip, it's really safe to actually let it rest gently when you window tint it, but I could take that off. I'm gonna flip this back, just pull this out. That's how we're gonna get the sweep out. I could set this up in there and then put those 2 screws back in here if I wanted to. So that's kind of maybe a safer way to do it if you're worried about that. So what I can do is push that in there, hold it, and that can safely barely put that in there. That'll hold my door panel from falling off. All right, that's how you take it off, but we're going to tape up these felt pieces right here so that we don't get any stuff in there. You got the thinner tape? You could use the thinner tape. I'm gonna pull this out. And the secret to getting this in smooth now is just kind of like pulling it a little bit with this hand and then kind of rubbing it with my thumb. I want to get it back down in there. And again, this green tape is a lot tackier. Again, just keeping it so we don't get anything on the felt. Rubbing it with my thumb as I stretch it. All right, I'm good to go. Go ahead and plot this thing out. You already printed your side? I'm gonna tuck that door cover in there. Make sure we're overlapping that. Get all the soap off so you know you don't miss a spot. Okay, really good waffle towel. Wipe the top edge off really good. I'm going to squeegee it out. We'll have to squeegee the rest because we already razor bladed, but I am going to flush it all down in case we got a speck of dirt somewhere. Huh? All right, we'll have to shave it for sure then, I guess. Probably because I line it up to get it all the way down in there. We'll have to send it in. Sometimes they don't put it all the way down in the front. On whose car? On the Subaru?
Yeah, the cross check. It says one of the door clips isn't right.
Well, give us a minute because Andrew's in the middle of something. What part of the cut on this is bad? Mine seems good. Yeah, we'll have to shade the front for sure. Do we need to do anything for the inconvenience because he just drove back? I don't know if we have anything. Grab him some air fresheners. Yeah, grab him like 3 air fresheners. Yeah, give him a koozie also, but yeah, give him those air fresheners. And make sure we apologize. So as you were watching this video, you overheard that what happened is must have missed putting in a screw or something with the guy's door panel. So, I mean, if you want a good business, you got to make sure that you take care of people. That guy's time, you know, he just drove back over here. I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. I don't know where he drove from, but, you know, we're going to do the best we can to make sure we understand that and give him something for free. Discount on his next tint, or like we have custom made air fresheners. So we're able to throw them in some of these. So what I'm doing here is the cut on vinyl film and design is not perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to shave the front side of it here. And heat it up really good so it doesn't pull any dirt back when I shave it. That's why I wipe off that top edge really good too. Alright, should be tacked down pretty good. Activate that glue. So if you can see, we lined up this gap right here really tight. And it's this side that's really going to need shaved right here. So what I'm going to do is, you know, take this thing out probably about 2, 4, 6, maybe 7 blades. Kind of pinch it there and pinch it here. And I'm going to run like maybe a 30-degree angle with that blade right on that edge. I'm going to do a factory cut right down the edge of that window. That's perfect. Right here's a little high. Now putting everything back together. Same way we took it apart. Alright, and hopefully this one right here line back up, which it did. Good. That's it. This thing right here, we gotta plug back in. It goes around the back first. Let's take this tape off now. And it clips right in like that. Make sure it's round. Boom. Alright. That thing's on the back. That just pushes right down in there. This thing slides in forward like that. This thing slides in back, go back. Let's see what we got. 200? Well, it's not fitting in, so something might be bent in there. Push it back in with my fingers to make sure it's in the hole. There we go. Alright, and this one drops down in there. Hey Meta, start video. Hey Meta. Hold on. See a little bit of water right there. I'm gonna do a final check. I'm pretty sure that's what the price is. I'm like 99% sure. So yeah, so just let it ride. That's what it's going to be. So we're good to go. All right, that's how you do it.